Hi, I'm Bob Watts with Advanced Measurement Systems. We are introducing our new SPECTRE scanner and laser measuring system here at SEMA in 2017. Our scanner is very unique. It's quite small, as you can see. Weighs about 4 pounds, green laser, totally battery operated, and has the longest measurement range of any system on the market today. This is totally portable and works with our passive targets to make the system totally unique and give it a very long range. This system is under the car right now at SEMA. We're showing it and how it works with our software. Our software is basically a very, very new software system. It automatically assigns the targets to help the technician eliminate some of the system errors that they might ordinarily have. You set up your torque box points, you hang your targets, and automatically it assigns them to all the specific points you want to measure on the vehicle. Our software will also show the dimensions in a 3D frame. This 3D frame will show the measurements as they are, and it also show the pulling measurements dynamically. So as the measurements change, as the car is repaired, the readings change on the screen. The damage can be shown in several different fashions. Here we put a little artificial damage on this vehicle. They wouldn't let us damage the one that we've got on the frame, but we've got a little damage here that shows, and it shows in yellow because it's just barely above our control point we want. All of the other green is in specification. If there was severe damage, more than the 5mm tolerance we have in right now, that would show as red. As the car is pulled, as the repair is made, the damage that shows as red, when it moves into the range that's medium damage, that will turn yellow. When you get into specification, it will turn green. When everything on the screen is green, it's within OEM specifications. We can take this, put it in a very detailed report, and outline every step you need to do to repair the car. It will make it very simple, step by step, in a manner that can be detailed with screenshots as well as digital photographs. Make sure you catch every bit of damage on your vehicle.